How to fix Google Meet microphone not working. So if you're trying to make a call on Google Meet and the microphone is not working, there might be various reasons behind it. First, try checking the internet connection. Scroll down from the top of your screen, check the internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, the microphone should be working. If the microphone still does not work, check for the microphone permissions. Open App Library of your device. Find the application for Google Meet. Once you find this application, what you have to do is long press on it. Tap on the option App Info. Now tap on this option Permissions. Make sure to grant the permission for microphone. If the permission for microphone is not granted, tap on it. Tap on the option Allow only while using the app. Go back. Now your problem should be fixed. If not, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of Google Meet. In the App Info interface, tap on this option Storage and Cache. Tap on the option Clear Cache. Now once the cache has been cleared, your problem should be fixed. Also try disabling the Google Meet and enabling it again. Tap on the option Disable. Tap on the option Disable App. Wait for a while. After a while, tap on the option Enable. Now after you do that, your problem should be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed, there might be some problem with the device itself. Your microphone of the device might be faulty. Make sure to get it checked. After you do that, your problem should be fixed. Like this, you'll be able to fix Google Meet microphone not working. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.